Welcome to James Walker's English lecture. Today we will learn how to pronounce coastal flooding. Listen carefully. Coastal flooding. Again, coastal flooding. Here are 5 examples. Coastal flooding caused severe damage to the beachfront homes. The town developed a plan to prevent coastal flooding during storms. Heavy rains, combined with high tides, led to unexpected coastal flooding. Coastal flooding threatens the habitats of many marine species. Scientists are studying the impact of climate change on coastal flooding. Now, you know how to say coastal flooding. Thanks for learning with James Walker.